Kalangut is getting congested on daily basis. To ease the traffic on junctions, we are planning circles with proper dividers. All the junctions are being planned. एक आम्ही केल्ले आहा थिंगासर शांतादुर्गा टेम्पला कडेन मेन कलंगूट टिंटो. आनीक आम्ही केल्ले आहा आमच्या सेंट एंटनी चॅपलाच्या फाटल्यान. सेम वे आम्ही फुडें वचोन रॉनिल बीच रिसॉर्टाच्या सायडीक जे जंक्शन आहा थिंगासरूय आम्ही सर्कल प्लॅन करपाचे आहा. So all these circles, what we are planning to inspire the youth, we want to put up some statues of some Goan legendary footballers and also international. So on this circle, we have already made a statue of brass, weighing around 500 kilos, costing around 12 lakhs. The statue will come up over here, that is of international famous footballer Ronaldo. In the next 12 days, once this work is ready, 12 to 15 days, we will install it and inaugurate it. We hope to bring an international player of India to inaugurate this and to inspire the youth of Kalangut to that football is in our blood. तुम्ही फुटबॉलान फुडाकार घेया आणि इन्स्पिरेशनल स्टॅच्यूज असले आमचे कोंगडचे इंडियेक खेळलेले आमचे 3-4 जाण फुटबॉलर आहा जे कोंगटेन आहा तेंचे आमी स्टॅच्यू अहे घालूंक शकता म्हणजे पास्ट घालूंक शकता इन ऑल दीस सर्कल्स वॉट एवर वेर एवर वी आर प्लॅनिंग. बट टू स्टार्ट विथ इंटरनॅशनल फुटबॉलर रोनाल्डोचो घालता आमी. This statue is made in a time frame of 4.5 months. 4.5 महिने जाले आमी ऑर्डर दिल्ली हे स्टॅच्यू करपाक. आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम सावंतवाडी हेणे हो केल्लो हा अमय म्हणून आनी एकदम बरें काम करपी आर्टिस्ट हो. कोणाची जो तर फेस दीस जाल्यार एक्झॅक्टली करून हाडटा. सो तेणें हो स्टॅच्यू केल्लो हा. ह्या सर्कलाचेर घालपाक हें डिसिजन जाल्लें आहा. विलेज पंचायत कलांगुटान पाठिंबो दिल्लो आसा आनी टू इन्स्पायर मोर एंड मोर यूथ ऑफ गोवा this statue is being installed. Thank you.
Our junction leads to 2 world famous beaches. One is Kalangut beach and the other is Baga beach in this direction. Over the past many years, traffic jams and traffic problems have been created in this junction. So we have requested the MLA and told him that this coming season, आमी आता रस्ते हिंगा सामको beautify केल्ले आहा with footpath and ornamental lights. But this junction needs to be redesigned. So today with the MLA, PWD engineer and traffic police, we are redesigning this entire junction. And as you know, हिंगा Kalangut Association a ground football ground, and another ground is the Poryat ground. So we want to put something on this circle which will inspire young youth so that one day they can also be role models and maybe play for the state and play for the country. So we are coming up and putting Ronaldo's photo, that is a statue of his, going to be come up here. This is a rough draft of the statue cast. A full metal statue will come up and we hope that this statue will inspire young youth to one day be big players in the world.
Circle मात्सो वाडयता so that smooth flow of 4-wheelers and buses should happen, and we will put one security guard over here so that nobody parks on this circle. 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler हाडून पार्क जायत जाल्यार प्रॉब्लम जाता. बस इजिली टर्न जायना त्या खातीर आमी प्लॅन केल्लो.